Guess who's Arianna McKenzie, and today we're gonna do keep, change, or donate. If y'all watched my last Vlogmas, I did a closet clean out 2023, and I had some stuff that I was perplexed about. I didn't know if I wanted to keep it and just put it back in my closet, change it, which means cut up, do anything to it, bleach it, I don't know yet, or just donate it because it's that time. This is my video of my final decision. So let's try on the first thing. Okay, here you go. The first thing, they're cute, but like they're very loose. Like, do you see that? It wouldn't even be that bad because like these are actually nice shorts, but it's just the fact that if I can do this and fold it over, that's not good. All of this extra fabric, it would have to go, and I'm not sure if I want to do that. I have hope, but I don't have enough to change it. These kind of tight. Oh my gosh. They were pants at first, and then I changed them into these shorts. Do y'all see the little? Add a little extra detail. I don't know. Should I keep these for the summer? I'm keeping these, and if I can't fit these in the summer, I'm donating them. Because I don't really want to change these. I already changed them once, and I kind of like these. I do like these a lot. Hopefully, I can wear them when we go somewhere for the summer. I'm putting it in the keep pile. You would think it's nothing wrong with these, but then when you look at this bleach stain, yeah. And I can't donate these. I'm not gonna donate something that I wouldn't wear. How would these look like if they were like long shorts? Oh no. So I'm gonna cut this off, and I'm gonna make it into another plant hanger. I know what y'all thinking. Why would you make a plant hanger out of jeans? But I did it before, and I insert a picture right here. It's literally so cute, right? After I cut this off, I'm gonna cut it shorter and make it into some summer shorts. I know I'll definitely be able to fit this until summertime. Wait, is it a bleach? Oh, I thought it was a bleach spot on my butt, but never mind. Dang, these pants, these pants got destroyed. This is going in the change pile. I don't know why I put these in the pile. Like, what am I thinking? I like these a lot. These are my skater girl pants. I had them in 8th grade, and I'm still wearing them in 9th grade. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's fun. Y'all know what I'm gonna do with these. I'm gonna keep these. Jumpsuit moment, slay. It's giving looseness. Dang, that's a lot of space. I really like this. I really like this. Look at the gold. See how shiny that is? Okay. I'm putting this in the keep pile. This real cute, right? It's a little simple camouflage shirt, but then it's a hole on the side. Wait, but can you tell? You can't tell. I figured it out. All I gotta do is crop it, because now there's no hole on the side. But all I do is put a bow in the back, and yeah, I just flipped it up. But problem solved. Technically it's a change, but I didn't really change much. I just didn't wear it like this from now on because I had this for a long time and I still really love it. And this is like my only camouflage thing in my closet. Also, I'm definitely not wearing it like this because I'm not allowed to. But I got jackets so I can just zip it up, and so it doesn't show that much stomach because I will get beat up. But yeah, definitely change pile. Here go the other one. It's a Levi's shirt. I love this one, but here's the problem. I was going through and then I find this on my shirt. I think it's gone. I'm pretty sure it's gone. Not mine gone, which is even nastier. My sister wore it, and after that, disappeared. Here's what I think I'm gonna do. I don't want to donate it because, again, I'm not gonna donate anything that's like nasty. I'm gonna cut it so it can be like more loose, and then I might cut the collar off because, you know, it's cute. Y'all know y'all seen that before. People do their little DIY off the shoulder moment. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, this is gonna be a cute project, y'all. I can't wait to cut some stuff up. Change file. Here we go to the next one. I could barely put this on, but it's actually still really cute. But I think it's that time to give it up. I knew I was probably gonna vote to put her back because I was like, this is a little small when I was on my closet clean out. Yeah, it was a little small. This is going in the donate pile. Here's my other one. Somebody, the last time I wore this, somebody told me that I looked like a stud, and I was like, you know what? Let's not do that. But now I don't care because, yeah, I don't. That's why I don't care. But then again, this is kind of not my style anymore. But I can style it up. Hold on, watch. And I can wear a little skater girl outfit with this. Oh, this cute. Okay. All the way up. Don't know about the all the way up part. It was good like this because it shows a little bit more red to like actually, so you can see the whole picture. This is going in the keep pile. This is the next one. It's just like it's not giving. It's not giving, you know. I need some more flow in this. Like I can't even like bring it to the front. I can't bring it to the side. It's just gonna like fall and be like a square. But I love the color. So it's like keep the block shape because you like the color. Donate it because you don't feel like changing it. Or if I do it off the shoulder, it automatically makes the shirt look lower like this. And then this give me like a cute off the shoulder vibe, and then it'll be flowy. Oh yeah, also this was on my haul, my Shein haul. It was like a few months ago, so I didn't really get the wear out of it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna change it, definitely. Change pile. This is the sweater. It's little bedazzled things on it, so when I move, it shimmer and shine. But it's just like, it's not the type of sweater that I like. I like the loose sweaters. I loved this last year because I was definitely smaller. I grew a lot. I don't know how much I grew, but I know I grew a whole bunch over the summer. I'm not changing this because I know that if I cut something, this whole sweater just gonna be a ball of yarn. So I'm gonna put this in the donate pile. Here go the other sweater. I haven't worn this anywhere. Honestly, I really like this one, but it's just like, what to do with it? Like, this is the only thing in my closet that I really can't style. Like, I love the top. It's giving, I have no idea what it's giving. That's why it's so hard. I don't know. It's like out of my comfort zone, but I can't style it. Here's the compromise. If I can't find an outfit, I'm donating it. It just doesn't go for the occasions that I be going to. This is in none of the piles. Okay, let's go to the next one now. Here you go to the next one. I know it don't really go with the outfit. Do y'all like it? I think I would like this if this is my style, but it literally doesn't go with anything in my closet. And I haven't worn this once. Let me button it up. The buttons don't button. They not buttoning like they're supposed to. I give up. This is going in the donate pile. That's it for this session. I'm going to take a break, go eat, and when I come back, we're going to go on to the changing part. Yes, I did put a few more than I thought, and it might take a little while, but I'm determined on doing it tonight, and I'm going to try them on after the I know I was stuck on this word, another video, alternation, alternation. There we go. Yeah, see y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, I'm back from eating and I was watching Love is Blind. So now it's currently 2 in the morning. Yes, I did watch like 4 episodes, so that's why we did kind of like a time jump. But I'm still gonna cut out some shirts and some jeans. And today I'm not gonna do the plant hanger because I don't have the materials, I don't have tape or a paper clip. But I am gonna make the shorts tonight, hopefully. That is a big hopefully. Because I am kind of tired, but I'm determined. So let's go. First thing that has to go is this. So here's what I'm thinking. I was about to just cut the whole thing off and do off the shoulder, but that's what I'm doing with the other one. So I'm gonna cut it down the middle and then I'm gonna tie it. And if it doesn't look good, then I'm just gonna cut the whole bottom off. I guess you can see how this fits. I'm gonna cut it some more so I can tie it a little bit more than this. So here's what I did. I did a triangular cut, if you can see that. So when I tie it in the back, it can be tight enough to where it look like it's supposed to look like that. I know y'all can't really see my face right now because it's so low to the ground, but this is what it looks like. All I did was do that triangle thing. I cut the bottom off a little more so it's easier to tie, and I double knotted it, and now it's gonna be permanently like this. It's very simple, but I didn't really want to change it that much. I just wanted whatever that was at the bottom off. That's it for this easy part. Now let's go on to the other shirt that I wanted to do a lot with. Here go the next shirt, and I didn't realize before, but it has oil stains on it, and y'all probably saw it like before when I was trying to see if I wanted to keep it or not. But why is it kind of going? Wait, I can't see it. I could only see it on camera, so I think I'm gonna just like keep it how it is. But I'm definitely cutting the collar off. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything right here, but yeah, I'm gonna start with the top. Definitely cut this wrong, so let me retry this. Here you go, the final thing. I don't think I want to cut the bottom. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. This is really cute like this, and I actually cut it right this time. I don't know what was happening last time, but here you go, right here off the shoulder. And I'm also thinking about like wearing it like this because it's actually flowy looking, and that's what I was really going for this. I think that it made it like droop some more because it's like sitting right here, and that's all that I wanted really. But yeah, this project is definitely a yes. Now it's time to go to the shorts, which is the last thing. I actually didn't know that I only put 3 things in the change pile, but that's less work for me and cute clothes anyway, so I guess it's a win-win. So this is the last one, like I said before, and I have these shorts that were also once jeans, and just in case I need a guide, but I'm not going to use these right now. I'm going to see if I actually need it, but I'm going to put these aside as my refuge. I made them a little longer. I don't know if I'm going to keep them like this, but they look cute so far. But right now, you see how it's like distressed on some of it, and then the bottom is like this. I'm going to distress them. It might take a while, and honestly, I might give up. But it might be easy, so let's see how it goes. Y'all, don't mind the snoring in the back. My sister fell asleep in my room. But, look, they're very cute. I had to kind of match it, but they're going to look better after I put them in the washing machine, because these are how the shorts look after they were in the washing machine, and they look like these before. They're not going to stay like this forever. That's it for Vlogmas Day 4. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can give me some more suggestions about what I should do for any more DIY projects that I'm going to do throughout this year or next year, because next year is coming up really fast. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment the scissors emoji if you made it to the end of the video. But yeah, that's the end of this video. See y'all tomorrow. Arianna McKenzie out.